Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Asa, and if this is your first time here, welcome. But if you're an older but a goodie, welcome back guys. Thank you so much for your support. I see your comments, your likes, and all the people that are subscribing. I'm really happy to have started this journey. And on today's video, I just filmed this eye look that I did on my previous video, which was a foundation review. And if you guys haven't checked it out, I'll link it down below, then you can go and check it out as well. So I really hope that you enjoy this eye look. I don't want to talk too much because already this video seems to be way too long, and I really hate filming long videos, especially when it comes to makeup. I feel like it shouldn't be too long basically. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, don't forget to like, comment, and definitely subscribe. I know you're watching my videos and you're not subscribed, so please, I know you'll be back next week, so why not subscribe so that you get a notification every single time I upload a video. Alright, okay, as you can see, I've already done the other eye, so we're just gonna go in with the other eye. So I started with a pink shade on my crease, and then I pack on that shade until I'm satisfied with the pigment. So I follow on with a orange shade as a transition shade basically, and I use that shade just to blend out the edges of that pink shade. Shade or shadow, I don't know, but you get what I mean. So I continue blending. I try to not blend on top of that pink shade because the eyeshadow palette that I was using isn't that pigmented. So the moment you blend too much, the eyeshadow loses its pigment. So now I'm going in with a dark brown shade on the corner of my eye just to darken that crease. It also gives the purple shade that you can see on my other eye. So I go in with that brown crease and then brown color. So once that's done, then I cut my crease, as you can see. So with the technique here that I'm using is I apply the concealer right on top of my lid, and then I try and look up. So wherever it transfers to, that's where my cut crease should start. So that's how I determine how further to cut my crease. So now I'm just going in with shading my lid with the concealer. So after cutting my crease, then I go in with a powder to set that concealer. So I just used a normal powder. I think you should have seen on my previous videos the powder that I normally use for my face. So there I'm just trying to fix the cut crease line just so it looks perfect. And then because my aim for this cut crease was a matte cut crease, so I'm just going in with a light shade, sort of like a white eyeshadow on top of that cut crease, just for that matte eye look that I'm trying to go for. So I'm just packing on that powder on my cut crease, and that's the color that I'm trying to achieve on my cut crease. So once I'm satisfied with that, then I start blending the edges of my cut crease, as you can see. So the colors that I used here, I just used the pink shade that I started with, and also the brown shade, just to darken the corners of my eyes more. So I just blend and blend and blend until I'm satisfied and I see that there are no harsh lines on my eyes. So guys, if you can hear planes or cars in the background, I live right by a really busy road, and I also live by just close to the airport. So anyway, I just put on my, what do you call it, my primer. Yeah, it's the LA Girl primer, just on my T-zone, because that's where I'm very oily. Guys, I don't know, I think I've just gotten even more oilier this winter. I don't get it. But anyway, I'm also putting on my new foundation that I reviewed on my previous video, and here I'm just so nervous to use that clean brush. But anyway, I just went on and I'm blending my foundation, and here I think it's even more obvious that this foundation is pretty dark and not my shade, especially because you can see my chest and you can see that no, it's just not working out. So I think I'll have to get another foundation to mix it with, because I don't feel that comfortable with mixing it with my Maybelline Fit Me. But anyway, we move. So I went in with my beauty blender just to blend in that foundation properly. So now we move on to highlighting and contouring. For highlighting, I use the same LA Girl concealer that I use every single time, which is LA Girl concealer in the color Fawn. So I put that foundation under my eyes, my nose, my chin, my forehead, and right above my lip, because I have a mustache, so I'm trying to sort of hide it. Okay. So we blend until we're happy with how it looks. And guys, as you can see, the lighting wasn't on my side on this day, and I had waited because it had been raining all week, and today was actually the day that the sun was out a little, since you know guys, I use natural lighting, but still it wasn't on my side. But anyway, I managed, as you can see, to film a video for you guys. So I'm just blending with my beauty blender, and I recently learned that if your beauty blender doesn't expand when you wet it, then it's not an original blender, or it's not the proper beauty blender. So if you guys have beauty blenders and they just stay stiff even when they are wet, see, unfortunately I have bad news for you. You see the pink blender that I'm using here, it's stiff basically. It doesn't change its shape when it's wet or whatever. So the other green one actually changes and it's very soft. But I don't remember where I got it. I honestly don't remember where I got it. So now I'm just setting my face with some powder. and then I'm just dusting off that powder off my face. And then my old contouring powder. Guys, please donate. Anyways, I'm just going to contour the same way that I always contour. So I use this powder, and then I also use an eyeshadow from my eyeshadow palette, the one that I bought on AliExpress. It's also the eyeshadow palette that I used for this eyeshadow look. So I'm just contouring my nose. I really love nose contouring, guys. Yo, it changes the game completely. So now I'm just adding the bronzer color that I use. So I'm just going to highlight my face using the Makeup Revolution Sophie X highlighting palette. Oh my gosh, I am very sure that you guys can hear that airplane. And then I'm just going to line my lips with a brown color. And I got this brown color from a beauty supply store. Okay guys, this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, as I also enjoyed filming it for you guys. It's one of the things that I really enjoy doing. I really enjoy doing the makeup and just filming it. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and definitely subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye. Send you flowers in the morning.